So what's up guys, Bonkers Barco here, and last episode we made this alarm clock. That's a redstone by the way. If you sleep, then you should hear this in the morning. Yeah, so anyway, so today we're going to make a moving arm stand, and you need this. You don't really need that though, I'm just going to decorate it with that. I don't really need the redstone comparative, an extra one though. So basically, just gonna place an emerald block here, and then this can be any block, literally any, but I'm just gonna use emerald block as this example. So, and then you're just gonna place an arm stand on top of that emerald block, or whatever block you want, and then place some stained glass here, and but you don't want it like that. You want it like that, okay? And then you want to sort of form an L shape. Yeah. And then like in the middle. So it's like that. And then you're going to place a hopper there. Then you're going to crouch and place a hopper there. Break that hopper. And then crouch and place a hopper there. Then you're going to insert your diamond sword. There we go. So as you can see here, it's going from hopper to hopper very quickly. And the hopper that's in it'll basically power the one, so it's always going. See, it's turning off and on and off and on and off and on, and so the guy goes up and down and changes poses. Anyway, so we're going to place one of our emerald blocks there and a redstone dust in there, and then another redstone comparator. Now, we're going to place a redstone comparator there, redstone, and then another redstone comparator. So that's my guy, but if you want to turn it off, then you would have to place pistons there. Well, it's sticky piston, by the way. Wait, no, not there, no. You want to place it one in front, so up, up, up. There we go. And then you just want to put a redstone block there and break these two pistons and place a lever there. Anyway, so if I flick the lever, it stops. If I turn the lever on, it just carries on going. Now I'm going to decorate my guy with my decoration things. Yeah, so you don't have to do this, by the way. I'm just going to place a Steve head and some armour. There we go. What does he look like? He looks like he's fighting, so I'm going to give him a sword. It's a very good sword. There we go. And that is done, literally. So I hope you all enjoyed the video, and I'll see you all later.